Hi, what's up? Welcome. Day 2 ng ating marathon training while on board. I tried doing a 3K, consistent pace 3K earlier this morning. And it was good. It was good. I love the fact that hindi pa maalon, kaya tuloy-tuloy yung takbo ko and maayos yung pacing. So, for tomorrow, I decided to have a rest para hindi naman ako ma-shock na sunod-sunod yung takbo and I'm still coping up with my duties and responsibilities here. And tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga pwede nating magawa, like intervals or anything that can help us improve ourselves sa pagtakbo while on board. Kasi hindi pa ako nakarinig, or siguro meron na rin nag-try, pero bibihira yung taong galing sa ganitong klase ng trabaho, yung remote, and still being able to cope up with fitness and health, and lagyan pa natin ng extensive effort na mag-marathon pag uwi ng Pilipinas or pag sign off. So that's it. Life update lang. Day 2 ng ating marathon training. Subscribe and follow for more. Tito Abe here. Goodbye.